Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting explicit permission from the broadcaster. That's essential. Once granted, open the channel chat and locate the user you'll mod. Click their name, choose Give Moderator, or type /mod username in chat. This is fast and reliable. Make sure the moderator crown badge appears next to their name so both of you know it worked. If you're using mobile or a third-party client, follow the same /mod command. Consistency matters for audit and trust. Now you configure what moderators can do and why those settings matter. Go to Creator Dashboard Community and adjust auto mod thresholds, action severity, and automated filters. This reduces reaction time. Teach the team core commands, /timeout, /ban, /clear. Practice them so you avoid accidental bans. Once done, decide on slow mode and follower-only limits to control spikes during raids. Make sure everyone understands the rule. Finish by validating that moderation actions are recorded and effective. Check chat logs and the audit log in Creator Dashboard to confirm timeouts and bans registered properly. If a command doesn't work, first ensure the moderator still has the role, then rule out network issues or chat rate limits. These often block commands. Make sure a backup moderator exists and that unban or appeal steps are documented. That way, you keep the channel safe and recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.